So we're expecting 1 to 3 inches of snow and ice tomorrow. Better cover up the car. Wow, I received the Gelibo's car windshield snow cover just in time. Right before the snow and the ice hit. Forecast calls for snow and wintry mix. It's not gonna be good. Oh wow, it comes with a cover. Okay, that must appreciate it. Okay, let me go ahead and wrap this and show you guys the full dimensions of this. So here is the car windshield snow cover unraveled in all its beautiful glory. It's made of heavy-duty 600D polyester. Now it measures 75 inches by 42.25 inches and a 0.1 inch thickness. And it even includes 2 of these drawstring side mirror covers. So as you can see, it has 2 side flaps right there. Those go inside the car door to prevent theft and from it being blown away, along with these 2 loops where you can hang around the side mirrors for additional protection from the wind. And as you can see, and this is the nice material. See that polyester material? Now if you flip it on the reverse side, yes, this is weatherproof. This is the one that will be facing the actual glass. Okay. All right, and here are the side mirror covers. You got a reflective material right here, nylon, and it features drawstring, so you can clamp it on. And yes, the dimensions of this will be able to fit any car, any size vehicles, whether it be a mini car, medium, mid-size, large size, vans, minivans, trucks. And on the car flaps, it features a foam padding, see, so it makes it stay securely inside the car. Oh my goodness, it's already icing right now. I do have a recommendation, maybe on the next iteration, maybe they can make one where they can go inside the door so we don't have to scrape the ice or snow from the doors too. You know, cover the windshield and also the 4 car windows. That would be great. So as you can see with the Gelibo car windshield cover, you don't have to be out in the freezing cold, spending time, precious time of having to clean the ice or snow, especially if you are in a hurry. Get yours today, save yourself time.